My name is Dr. Voda Srinivasarao, Associate Professor. My topic is probability approximately correct learning concepts, introduction of AIDS cohort, CO2 section 6. In this topic, the probability approximately correct learning concept having three different topics. One is evaluating hypothesis, second one is probably learning approximately correct hypothesis, and function approximation. The aim of this course to familiarize the students with the basic idea about the hypothesis and the probability learning correct concept and the error hypothesis and error region. That means students can understanding about the evaluating of the hypothesis, correctness of the hypothesis, how the approximate high learning probability and what are the error we find out in learning data and what are the main theme of this PAC learning concept we discuss in this topic. And the main objectives in this section, we provide the probable approximate correct learning including the following topics: evaluating a hypothesis, approximately correct hypothesis, and error of the hypothesis and error region. Completion of these topics, the learning outcomes, that means the students able to understand the main subject of the how to evaluate, how to find a hypothesis and the approximately correct learning concepts and approximately the correct evaluation and error region. These points the students able understanding the concepts related to the PAC learning. The main introduction about the hypothesis, the first topic is evaluating a hypothesis, means how to evaluate why the hypothesis is required. We are mainly the artificial intelligence classified into different learning algorithms. One is the machine learning algorithms. In machine learning algorithms, the data classified in various types, either labeled data or unlabeled data. In training data sets using different learning algorithms to process the hypothesis to find the best accuracy. In this case, here we use different type of the supervised learning algorithms to process the hypothesis. H x belongs to either binary data 0 and 1. Why the requirement of the hypothesis to find the high probable accuracy and with less error data? That means when the evaluating a learned hypothesis, estimate the accuracy with which it will classify the future population and future in sentence. That means the evaluating the given data and find the exact accuracy and more accuracy with less error. The second point we have discussed, the probable error. The probable error means less error used to compute this accuracy estimate. That means evaluating hypothesis mainly helpful for the probable error, that means small error with high accuracy. That is what error bars to associate with this estimation. Next point, in evaluating of the hypothesis, first we are defined some of the notations related to the hypothesis, that is x denoted by the intensive population over which varies the target function may be defined. The target function is denoted by the f of x, f of x, f of x is belongs to 0 comma 1. That means the target function always in between 0 comma 1. Here the example we are given, the people who are purchased the new computers this year, in this data how many computers purchased the people in particular year, we find out the estimated cost of this related to the computers. We are using the target function. Here we are different people with the different population, we are using the different frequencies and different strategies. To evaluate the hypothesis, precisely focus on these points. There are three important points, there are three important reasons we are defined the apply to estimation of the hypothesis. The first reason, how well does this estimate the accuracy of the hypothesis. The main point to evaluate the hypothesis is how much accuracy you find or in this given data hypothesis. Across the additional examples given, observe the accuracy of a hypothesis over the limited number of the data. Observe the accuracy and evaluated the accuracy with a given samples. That means with the less sample and get the more accuracy to using the estimation of the hypothesis. And the second one is, how likely is it that if one theory outperforms another across a set of the data, can take the different set of the data, it is more accurate in general. With the different set of the data also, how you are estimate the hypothesis with more accuracy in general point of view. And third one is, what is the best strategy are you using with the limited samples and limited data to both learn and measure the accuracy of the hypothesis. First one is estimate the accuracy of the hypothesis with the limited sample, and second one is the different set of the data, and third one is the limited data to both learn and measure the accuracy of the hypothesis. In this three point of view, we are estimate the hypothesis mainly. And next one, the main motivation of the estimation of the hypothesis. There are instances where the accuracy of the entire model play a hug role in the model adopted or not. For example, consider using a training model for the medical treatment. In this we need to have a high accuracy so as to depend on the information the model provides. There are two important error estimates we are defined here. One is sample error and second one is the true error. Sample error, estimate of the true error calculated on a data sample, and second one is the true error. We are using the